Hi, I'm Juanita Moore, and welcome to my Tiny Tenderloin Kitchen. Today, I'd like to teach you how to make cranberry sauce. Thanksgiving's coming, and I know that you'll be at home with just yourself or your roommates or just your immediate family, and you should be the one to make the sauce. So, you're going to start off by, got you. That's not what we're going to do. We aren't going to just open a can. Even though I do really love to slice this really thick sauce and lay it on a plate. One of my favorite things to do. But no, today we're going to actually make my cranberry sauce. Few simple ingredients, of course. You need one 12-ounce package of cranberries. You're going to need some maple syrup. You're going to need a little bit of brown sugar. You're also going to need some tangerines. It is citrus season, folks, so be sure to get fresh tangerines. And you're going to also need this lovely little thing here to just scrape all of the lovely rind off. Oh, it smells so good already. You're also going to need a juicer because we need about a cup of tangerine juice with the 12-ounce package, a little bit of syrup, a little bit of brown sugar. It only takes about 10-12 minutes to cook, but I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to break it down. My secret ingredient this year is going to be this really fabulous brandy that I got. This one is from Oregon. It's a pear brandy. Now you can add whatever kind of brandy you want to this. You could also add Cointreau to keep the orange flavors going, but I sometimes like to add this for a little other balance. So let's move ahead and make my cranberry sauce. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, I'm going to have you dump them into a little saucepan. We're going to turn the heat up to about medium-high, and we're going to stir them gently, let the sugar melt, and then it's done. How easy is that? This is your fabulous cranberry tangerine brandy sauce.